Today, I'm going to show you how to load your low-profile vehicle on this U-Haul Auto Transport using 2x8 shims. All right, guys, let's get started. First things first, let's make sure we have a good hookup. We're going to want to make sure our safety chains are hooked up properly and our emergency brake chains hooked up properly, and we have a good coupler hookup and our lights are functioning. I'm going to need to grab somebody to help me check the lights, make sure they're working correctly, and we're going to get this car loaded up. All right, we're almost ready to load this vehicle. Let's make sure the park brake's set and the truck's in park. Let's pull out the ramps. Now we got our ramps out, we're going to pull the vehicle up. I'm going to help guide the driver and make sure we don't hit our front fascia on the ramps and that he's straight. But I'm always going to stand as far as possible to the side while still having clear view with the driver. As you can see, we have a clearance issue with our front fascia. Now we're going to grab a 2x8 by 12 inches shim, and we're going to fix our approach angle. We're going to shim the ramps. We're going to repeat this on the other side. Pull our tire straps out, lay them across the ramp. Repeat that on the other side. Now let's move our security chains so we can get to them easier when the car's loaded. Now let's lower the fender so the driver can get out of the car when he has it loaded up. All right, we have one more possible clearance issue. We need to make sure we have 6 inches of room from the front fascia to the ground so we don't hit this tire stop. On this car, we have less than 6 inches. So let's go ahead and put some 2x8s in the front bucket, as so. And repeat on the other side. All right, we got our trailer prepped. Let's bring this car up. I'm still gonna be observing to make sure the front fascia doesn't hit the ramps. And remember, take it slow and stand to the side. Car's loaded. Let's set the park brake and come on out. Make sure not to step on the fender. Now let's put in our ramps. Keep this lumber close. You're going to need it when unloading. I'm going to put it in my trunk. Let's run our tire straps over the tire. Center your ratchet strap to the center of the tire. This moves side to side. And then put your strap in the slot on the top of the ratchet. Make sure you have about 6 inches of slack. And then ratchet the strap. And repeat on the other side. Now we're going to hook up our security chains, avoiding any brake lines, electrical components. I'm going to put this on my cross member. All right, we have everything secured. Now we're going to want to drive down the road about a mile, stop, make sure everything's still secured and in place. And then I'm also going to check it in about 50 miles. And then after that, every time I take a break or get gas, I'm going to come back, inspect everything to make sure it's secure. Have safe travels.